Alright, cut the cameras. Oh, for real, it is finally time. You guys have no idea how much I've been scratching and fiending and itching to open up this package. Y'all see this right here? When y'all get that leopard print, you already know what time it is. It's bikini behavior. Hello. I always say this on my channel. I like to wait. I like to savor the moment. I like to tease myself. I like to make myself literally. So I decided, you know what, I'm not gonna open up the package because I was already going to send her one of my custom wigs. So I was like, I'm not gonna open up the package until I know that she got it in her hands. And then after that happened and she received the wig, I ended up going to PA. Last minute PA trip. So it was nice, but then it cut into my time to film the video. So I was like, you know what, it's fine. When I get home, immediately I'm gonna film. So you already know the vibe. I'm so excited. If you see this look, I literally just did it. I did it for the fun and giggles. I was supposed to be a witch. Somehow I ended up being Mickey Mouse. I don't know. We don't know, but we just do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell because YouTube doesn't say when I post, and I want you to post. Part of the experience me. Roll 10K, you know the vibes, but it really is 100K. It really is 10 mil, but who knows? Maybe 20, maybe 50. Who knows?
I just want 1 plaque or 3 or 4.
A diamond plaque? It would ease down. Basement. I'm just excited. I don't know what's in here. I don't know. But one thing I will say, I did request a platform. I literally wear platform Crocs as my everyday shoe. I'm not joking. Literally, yo soy una china. Yo soy una chancla mía todo día, every single day. I wear these out like an Asian woman. I am a geisha at heart, okay? So I requested some platform boots and she got me. I ain't gonna lie, these are so fire. Look at them. They're so fire. And you know what I love the most about them? This little septum detail right here. You guys know I'm a Taurus. I do love a septum. That was not the first, but the second piercing I ever had in my life. First one was my tongue ring. I miss it every single day. I might get it back. I wanted it back. The thing that I'm surprised about is that if I was to sit here and put the ring in, it'll open. Now, this is the longest I've went without having it in, so I know it's gonna hurt like a but so I really love these boots so much. I just love the details. I like the little studded belt across. It just looks really good. It is like a wedged boot.
So I will say,
even though they're very comfortable, the only con about the boots, and that's not her fault at all, it's just the type of style, because you know, platforms, just for comparison, a platform like this is very comfortable. I know people probably see this shoe and they be like, how the hell do you wear this all day? Even though it looks like it goes down like this, the platform itself is very even throughout the foot, so it doesn't feel like you're on a heel. It feels like you're just elevated, you know what I mean? Poop instead of poop. Now this is like a wedge. As you clearly can see, it goes down. So because of that, when you're walking, you're gonna constantly feel like you're shifting to the front of the shoe. This is like all the time. So in some moments it's okay, in some moments it does get a little irritating and it does feel uncomfortable, but I troop it. I don't care. I'm wearing these. I've been wearing them a lot. I'm breaking them in, and honestly speaking, I love these. I'm so happy because if you know, my other platform shoe is literally right here, my little ballerina, sexy ballerina shoe. Y'all know the vibes. So this is a very comfortable shoe to me. I know it might look scary and sometimes it do be cracking my ankles a little bit, but she's like a kitten heel compared to this, you know what I mean? So I don't complain. But now for the main event, shout out to my baby girl Corelli. Shout out to Bikini Behavior. So she is a stylist. Usually from what I've saw, her like bundle sets are 35 and up. She does sell on Vinted. She just has a lot of cute ass pieces, and she'll literally create a style box catered to you and the aesthetic that you want. So she's really dope. I love her a lot. I want to meet her so bad in person. I wonder if all her packages are leopard print. She probably is a leopard girly. I wonder what it is with the leopard that became popular again, because you know, trends just relive and relive. But if you guys want to check out the wig that I made for her, I did make a punk mermaid wig, and I did post it on my wig page, which is Syntheticas only, so go check that out over there. And I'm excited. So first and foremost, oh my god, I think this is the jewelry. It sounds heavy. I think this is a jewelry because I know that she makes her own jewelry. What do we have? I feel all this. I'm gonna use this. Should we do like a little look? Like this gives me jellyfish, so we're gonna use this. Look how pretty it is. I love this. And why does it feel so soft? It feels like, girl, how much you spending for that? Because I know for the people who have a business, you know, little things like this cost money. Not just a package, but little things like this cost money. So how much you spending for this? Because this don't feel like that crinkly cheap stuff. This feels soft. I've never felt something like this that feels soft, and it's literally buttery noodles.
But let's go.
Ooh, wait. Pero que esto? Oh, okay. I like this. Oh wait, it has like cute little this. Look at it. This gives me like 2000s. You know what I mean? Like the little studded details. 2000s. Is this a skirt? I'm nervous. I already love this color. Is this a gray or is it a green? I think it's a green. It is a green. Because right now in real life,
It looks gray to my eyes.
it's a green. You know what's so crazy? I have green right here. What if it was meant to be?
What if it was meant to be? Because I kid you not, this was supposed to be a witch look, for starters.
And then these I got from Walmart when I was in PA. So we're gonna try this out. This is a medium. I have been getting a little skinny, so I hope it fits. So we're gonna try on the outfit. So we have this cute little green skirt with the top. I do love this tie-dye, black and white tie-dye bleach type of look. That bleach look, I do love that. I do love that. And hopefully I can wear it off the shoulder. And that's from American. Oh, I was about to say, I thought it was American Eagle. It says American Age. Look, American Age. And what size is this? It don't really matter because I know it's gonna look cut. All right, so let's see our. Oh, there's more. We have the same cards. This is literally the cards that I sent out for my Syntheticas orders. I'm crying. She's that girl. She gets it like, mwah. Tú sabes que las latinas son así. Mwah, mwah. Gracias, mi amor. Oh my God, and we got some cute little. Oh yeah. I kind of want some flowers tatted on me. Where should we put this at? Somewhere cute. Ooh, would that be cute? I do want a neck tattoo so bad. I've been wanting a neck tat so bad. We're gonna find out. I would put it right here on my hip, but lately my tummy hasn't been doing what it be doing. My tummy don't give cunt. After I have my baby, I don't know. It's cute, but I don't know. I'm still not in my era where I'm ready to show my stomach out again. But it says, thank you for shopping with Bikini Behavior. Period. Oh yeah. One thing about me, I love some accessories. It comes in this cute little orange. Orange is a really cute ass color too. Now my favorite color is yellow, but like orange, oh my God. Should pick up the things, hold on. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Wait girl, you make these? If she put those little diamonds and the little charms on it, great placement, I ain't gonna lie, that's so pretty. Look at this. So we have the first one. Cute little como like caracola. A cute little shell. That's so pretty. Oh my God, look at it. It literally looks like a cute little like amulet. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I love that one so far. Oh my God, this one's so pretty too. Ooh, and it's gonna give choker vibes. Wait, do you wear it like this? You wear it like this. You could wear it backwards too, like that. And like surprise is the little crab. Look at the crab. This is so pretty. You know, it'd be even better if like she literally went to the beach and like found these, which I don't know if she did or not. But it looks so pretty. Y si tú lo pintaste, I'm assuming she painted it. I'm gonna just give her that credit that she painted it because look at this cute little iridescent shift. So pretty, look at that. Ay, que lindo. And she added the little jewels right here. And this looks like, I'm not gonna lie, these clasps, baby, y'all don't understand. One thing about me, I do it all, right? And I'm gonna tell you one thing about jewelry. When you're making jewelry, this is a heavy clasp. I have to really put my force down. This neck is a little thick. Yup, cute little. Oh, I like this. Oh my God, I love it so much. Oh, they got stuck in my hair. Relax. Thank you. This is a little thick clasp. I wonder how much this is. $5? Let me know. All right, this is stuck right now, so I don't want to like, I'll do that later. But this one's really pretty too. See, I didn't want that to happen. Let me be careful here. This is so cool because it looks like copper, but it's also obviously orange. This is like a cute like layering piece. So I'm gonna leave it connected for now so it doesn't come apart. Oh my God, Mira. So we have, oh my God, these are gorgeous. One thing about me, I like big earrings and I like drop earrings. So this is super pretty. Look at that. This is gonna make me feel like this girl. What's her name? It wasn't Cher. Was it Shell? C-H-E-L, Shell? Let's look her up real quick. From El Dorado. El Dorado is one of my favorite movies, by the way. One of my favorites. And of course, she was everybody at the Gay Awakening. One of many Gay Awakenings, but I also just felt like I was her. I was right, Shell. Doesn't it give her? I don't know why you opening up Depop. The only reason why Depop should be open if it's somebody making an order. Anyways, doesn't it give that? Am I giving her? Mira, it's giving her. It is. Look at them. Cosplay. Look at them, so nice. This is the back, and these are the fronts. So pretty. What else we got? We got a keychain. Look. Oh my God. You think you can hear? No, you can't. But let's pretend. Wow. What else? Girl, you lying. Stop. Call me back. This is so cute. I'm gonna put this on my keys. I love collecting keychains. My keys literally is like junk keys. I literally have like 4 keys total, and that's it. Literally. Everything else is just a bunch of keychains that I like to collect from everywhere that I go, or little things that I like. So this is definitely going on my keys. We got a ring. Oh my god, mira que lindo. It has a moth on it. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I love stuff like that. I literally just bought a necklace, like a choker, with the same type of, I think it's like a moth or a dragonfly if I'm not mistaken. Pero mira que lindo. This color reminds me of carnelian. So I do really love that. It reminds me of carnelian, and that's fire. This is definitely handmade, you could tell, because she used the wire to make the ring, fire, and then put that together. You bitches can't even spell Prague. That's what it's giving. It's so cute. I love that. This is gonna go great when I'm like layering all my stuff. I don't have my rings on right now because it is nighttime and I was literally doing dishes, but it'll look cute with the set. This is so cool too. I love like vintage type of rings. What color is this? Mauve? On camera it's registering as mauve, and it feels heavy. I love rings like that. They look expensive, they look old, and these are like good statement pieces. It also looks like a beetle, which I kind of like. It looks like a bug, and I like it. Look at that. You don't want to mess with me when I got this ring on. I ain't gonna lie. You don't. And it's adjustable, but I would be very careful just in case. We don't want to break anything, but you don't want to mess with me because you don't. I'm sorry. Oh my god, and finally we got a bracelet. Cute little charms on it. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look, it has the shell and the little star, and then we have over here we have another shell, the white one. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. We have a mermaid. We have a little mermaid. And for those who don't know, I do have a mermaid tattoo right here, and this represents my mom because she was like obsessed with mermaids. This is for the woke people, so if you're not woke, just skip this part of the video. But she will always say how like she was a mermaid, or she felt connected, like she just maybe like in a past life she was a mermaid or something. She would tell me a bunch of things about just, I guess, spiritually, or history spiritually, which was always so weird but very enticing growing up hearing about it. And she would say, yeah, yo soy una sirena. She would tell me that straight up, like, yo soy una sirena and y tú eres también. But for me, this is gonna sound crazy, I do feel like that. I do feel like a siren sometimes, but that's why I like the term like chimera, because I do feel like I am a product of a lot of things put into one, kind of like a science experiment that went well. You know what I mean? When the scientist wants to create a new species and it works and it exceeds and probably escapes the lab, but like we'll watch it from afar. That's how I feel sometimes. That's why I be like the chimera. But anyways, I have a mermaid tattoo for my mom. She did pass away, so I made sure I got that. And then I also have my dad. I said RP daddy. That was actually my first tattoo that I ever did. It just reminded me about that, so I really love this. I'm gonna cherish this so much. I'm definitely gonna be adding charms to this. It's funny because recently me and my friend was talking about getting a charm bracelet because she has a Pandora one. Personally, for me, I like stuff like this, and that's why I'm a real big believer in faith and God and everything. Just putting what you want out there, because when things are meant to be, they're gonna be. Things will always align. Look at this right now. This outfit matches perfectly with this. I don't even know what this is.
Maybe I'm a dark Mickey Mouse, quien sabe, pero
Las cosas son así. They just line up in a certain way, and that's how I believe. I kind of operate my life like that, and I think that's why I'm so blessed and I'm so kept, and things always work out for me, and it is what it is. So I was just like, I know I'm not gonna rush getting my bracelet, because honestly speaking, I didn't want a Pandora bracelet, but I knew that I was gonna get a bracelet with charms eventually, and I was gonna be able to add on it. So thank you, because this is gonna be my new charm bracelet. I'm just gonna keep adding to this, so stay tuned for that, and drop it down in the comments, like in the future videos. Hey, let's see your bracelet, any new charms, so like, you know, update you guys on the new charm bracelet. But I love it so much. That is literally it for the haul. That is it. We're gonna try on the outfit. I'm gonna show you what the outfit looks like, but one thing I'm gonna clock you on is, hello, bikini behavior. I'm missing my bikini. We did talk about me getting a swimsuit, so bikini behavior, what's good, because I'm missing a swimsuit. But let me go get changed. I'll be right back, and I'll show you guys the full outfit. Already love the shirt. Already.
Wow, I like these ones.
Now, don't mind this wig too much, because I know it looks great. What you think? I love it. It fits nicely. I feel very like, I love it. And I got the earrings on. I know you can't see, but look, I got my earrings on. I love it so much. I feel very, like, I feel good. You know what's funny? What's funny is when we were talking about my style, she was like, I look like I give very, like, Boho Goth. Something about that really resonated with me because it was type true with a little of streetwear. But I do like to keep the goth, the emo, the punk aesthetic. But I am very earthy. Besides, no pun intended, obviously I'm a Taurus, but I am very earthy. This is like the perfect shade of green. I literally have a wig this color, and it's funny because I've been saying I want to wear skirts more. I've been saying I wanted to do a cactus look, so I've been wanting a green skirt. You did exactly what you needed to do, and I'm taking this as a sign that God was really playing his cards with this one. You feel me? I just love it. I love the mixed metal vibes that's going on. I love that I can wear it off the shoulder, because lately I've been liking like off the shoulder vibe. I feel indigenous, which I love as well, because your girl do got some Taino blood in her, you feel me? So we are very indigenous Afro-Latina girls out here. So I love this. I feel really good. I love the studs. It's not too much. Sometimes these little like studded designs can get tacky if it's not placed right. It's a perfect amount. It's the perfect color. It's not too bright, not too brassy. The jewelry is very comfortable. I'm just like, I love it. You did your big one, girl. Obviously this one is my favorite piece out of all of them. I would say this one and then this one. The only thing is I'm worried about is the fact that it's gonna mess up when I take it off. I just gotta keep going around and spiraling the ribbon until it comes out. But I do want to add, because you left me so much to work with here, I do want to add some beadwork to this and make this a really cute layering thing. Or honestly speaking, I know my waist is not that small. Part of me really wanted to put it around my waist, but baby, the skinny legend is not here. So I just want to say shout out to Bikini Behavior. If you want to get styled for your next event, for your birthday, if you need some help, if you want to like reinvent your wardrobe and you don't know where to start, it's really good to just check out her stuff. It's really good to just talk to other people, but definitely talk to her, because she knows, she has an eye for things, and not a lot of people have an eye for fashion and have an eye for little things like that. And she proved herself here that she got an eye for fashion and she knows how to put something together. She's going a very long way, and hopefully she's definitely somebody who I would want very close to me and my team, because secretly I am building a little team of women that I admire, that I love their creativity, and I want to see them shine in their own individual way, and with me and my rising success that is coming forth, you know what I mean? So she's definitely somebody that I'm gonna want to have on my side, and also to put on to other people, like, babes, you need a stylist? Boom, she's the best in the game, period. So thank you so much. I'm really happy with the result. The only thing is, babes, I'm clocking you. What's good with my swimwear? Because I thought I was gonna get a cute bikini. I gotta go to DR in December. So we can chit chat about that in the DMs, you feel me? And if y'all wanna see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. You already know the vibes, because YouTube doesn't what? Tell you when I post. I want you to see when I post before the whole experience with me. Roll to 10K. You already know the vibes. Again, shout out to Bikini Behavior. I'm just so happy. I'm happy with the results. I really want to put this on my shoulder right now because I just want to show my shoulders off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. You guys, oh my god, I know I said I was leaving, but I literally just noticed I got a nose cuff. Y'all know I love nose cuffs. I love nose cuffs. I'm so gagged. I'm literally putting all my stuff away. I'm like, I just sent her a voice note like, oh my god, I love everything that you got me, da da da. I'm putting the stuff away. There was a nose cuff. Look at it. Isn't it so cute? It looks like amethyst, but it's not. It looks a little blue. I don't know. The lighting in here is a little, you feel me? But I got a nose cuff, which I'm happy. I love nose cuffs. Oh my god, I love them. I love it. I didn't want to get off. I just feel so good. I feel so cunty. I love it. My man is sleeping. Do y'all not get the vision here? Babes, look at the material. Do you get what I mean? That's how I feel right now. This is cute. I gotta go. My camera's about to blow up my face. Bye.